What's going on, you guys? So I just got my fresh package from the crab place, and I wanted to do a comparison of what you guys can probably get locally versus what you guys can get shipped to you fresh and direct. Check it out. Let's go. First, we're gonna start off with the snow crab comparison. Grocery store, going to the crab place. So going to the grocery store too, we got the biggest snow crabs we can find from the crab place. And you can already tell the size difference. Oh yeah. And look at how they come. I mean, just right off the rip. Check this out. Let's get to the bottom of this. I mean, I shouldn't really have to say more. Grocery store, crab place. It doesn't even say where this is from. This is from the Bering Sea. You know exactly where it's coming from, fresh to your door. And I can't speak much about this one, but that should be self-explanatory. All right, you guys, so we went to the store. We got all of everything we needed. We got the comparisons. Now, the best part, my favorite, time to start cooking.